Hello, my name is Seni Kumar. I teach English. I'm very proud to say that I have 1 year of wonderful experience working with XSeed. Here, I have collected many positive points from this workshop so that I can implement in this academic year too. I thank Chitrakoota for conducting this workshop for all of us.
Hi, I am Akshata. I am science teacher in Chitrakoota school. Recently, we attended an XSeed workshop which was conducted by XSeed resource people. This workshop helped me to learn how to implement different methodologies in the classroom teaching. I am very thankful to our management for implementing XSeed in our curriculum. Thank you.